Channel once again. Good morning. I promised to send a video on how to navigate the Mnemonics Airdrop and play and end game. So in this video, when you click the link in the description or in the comment section, you will take it to this interface. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on play. Once you click on play, the mini app will launch. Now this is what you will find. Now the your focal point will be this area, the display area here. Now also, every time you log in every time you log in you can collect every single day. You can collect tokens every single day. This is June 14th. I collected mine today. So this is the check-in. Every day you can check in. Tomorrow it will be 3, and so on and so forth. Every single day you check in, you will get points to claim, so don't forget to claim it. Now the next thing is this. Now let me click on this now so that you will see what will happen now here. So if you click on it, you see, okay, let me claim my reward. You successfully unlocked. You found bills in your wallet, 500 bills. So I claim it and I confirm it, and that's it. So I'm ready. And now, as you can see, now I'm ready to play again. So for you, you will see ready. You will see ready here, like you can see here. So you will see ready here. So once you click on ready, as you can see ready, it will take you to this interface. Now, if you remember how you sign up for MetaMask, Phantom, all that, your secret passcode. So the same thing now for this one, they are trying to just say, okay, guess some random words, and then it will unlock, in quote, a hidden a wallet that has bills in it that the mnemonics have been forgotten. So it's a kind of hacking thing, but it's a play thing. So it's just to play around. So if you get the correct combination of words, you can earn up to 100 bills, you can earn up to 500 bills, 2,000 bills. I've earned on one time 2,000 bills. So if you get a combination, you will unlock the wallet and get the money inside the wallet. That's just the idea of the game. Hope you get that. So now let me just do it so that you will see it live. So I'll just select. Now you can also decide to use uh the automatic select words, but from my experience, if you use the automatic select words, your reward will be very small. So just intuitively choose words. So for me, let's choose this. I'll choose swing. Just upgrade any error, light. Now for you, this was the change. As you can observe, they are changing. Frozen. They are changing. So just choose the random words charge. So now look at here. Now, like you can see here, now if you 6 times faster, if you choose this option, now one of your chip will be taken and use this option. Then if you decide to use the battery option, use the basic one here, it will take you 60 minutes. So I always use the first option, which is the chip. So the more you get more chips as you people come in through your links, you get more chips as you bring in more friends. So basically that's it. So I click on this, then what you see is voila. So in 10 minutes I'm able to come back here and claim my bills from the hacked wallet. As simple as that. Just say the logic behind it. So I'll click on go home now. I'll click on go home. So I'm back here. Now for you, if you're just starting out, as you can see, I have almost 28,000 here, 28,305 views. Now if you're just starting out, the first thing you need to do, like I always say, is go to Quest. Whenever you sign up for any of these Telegram bots, go to the Quest or the tax section and do the tax. So go to the Quest part. You see the Quest here. Look, I've already done all. So when I did the Quest, you see I got as you can see, I got two chips here. For this one I got 20 chips. This one I got 10 chips. This one I got uh 10, and so on and so forth. So guys, this is how to navigate it. So it's just simple. It's simple as that. Nothing complex. So nothing complex. It's just to come here and hack unlock a wallet, and basically that is all you have to do. Nothing special about the game. You can do that every 10 minutes, or if you want to stay longer, you can do that every 1 hour by using the battery option instead of the cheap option. Basically, that's how the game works. So if you understand it now, and let me just use this part too. The wallet is just to show you your history. This wallet here, this is what I click, the wallet here. So it's just to show you your history. Now, if you like music, you can choose this. You can click on unmute your sound. You see, unmute this sound. Let me unmute it so that you hear the good soundtrack. Can you see the beat? Okay. So basically, that's how it works. So guys, bye for now.